Hello dears, it's me, Julie Fior, with a new video dedicated to Christmas time, of course. A few days ago I had Christmas photo shoot and I wanted to do something new hairstyle, but based on classic vintage hairstyles, of course. And as you can see, this hairstyle is a classic Page Boy, but I fixed her in the other way, and I think I received more cuter look, not such dramatic as the classic Page Boy on me. And in the end of this video I will show you photos from that photo shoot. You will be first who see them, because I will post them on my Instagram more closer to Christmas. So yes, and keep watching to see how I did this amazing hairstyle. So pin curl set overnight. I will add information and the link on the video how I do it. After this, I brush out my hair under. And creating part siding. And starting to do the brush out. I like this teasing brush from Soesta, but you can bring it in any shop. I think it's very comfortable to use it to do brush outs. Really, it's the main brush for me to do the shape. So I try to do great Page Boy. To do the shape at the back, I am using my hand, and like this you can see how I did do it. To smooth the hairs, little hairs, I'm using Womanizer Vamp pomade or any other pomade, or that what you have really. It's better to hold these little hairs, because with hairspray you don't smooth it. With different pomades or gels you can do by smoothing and holding all these little hairs. Fixing my hair on the one side behind my ear, I'm using two little bobby pins matching my hair color, but you can use different bobby pins with different maybe sparkles or something like that, if you want to do more special hairstyle. checking the results. Also adding some hairspray to fix the result in the one side. Fixing the result at the back, then starting to work with other side, bigger side, and also do the same operations. You can fix your bobby pins like me, X, for better holding, because if you have a lot of hair, if you will add them only horizontal, they can't hold your hair for the best, so you can do X. Creating wave with double clips, little wave, little volume, and last preparations, hairspray, of course, a lot of hairspray, and you need to do same operations with hand to smooth all little hairs too, and of course the hairspray needs to hold your hair under too. Of course, adding some special accessories for this Christmas look. And that's all. I'm ready. Hope you like this hairstyle and will try it. I will be happy to see your comments. Don't forget to like and keep watching to see photos from this Christmas photo shoot. Bye bye.